Hi friends, welcome back to our channel All in One Dolly. Like, share and subscribe and click bell icon and all for further notifications. This is our Facebook page. This is our Facebook page, friends. Link given in description. Please follow me. Today our topic is alphabets A to Z with pebble stones. Is very interesting topic for children and all. Please subscribe to our channel. This is our Instagram page, friends. Link given in description. Please follow our Instagram channel. Let's start our video. This letter is A. These are made with pebble stones. Don't skip this video. B. C. Next letter will be D. Don't skip this video. E. This is very interesting. F. Next letter will be G. Next letter will be H. Very interesting topic. Don't skip the video. I. J. These are all 26 alphabets. K. All are very interesting and very helpful to children. L. M. N. Next is O. P. P. Next video will be A for apple, like that. Q. R. Very interesting topic. S. So colorful. T. U. Children will be enjoy while seeing this video. V. W. X. Y. Last but not least alphabet Z. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe All in One Dolly YouTube channel, and please follow Facebook and Instagram pages. We will